This is the step-by-step tutorial of the Snowman Canvas Painting Kit. In this kit you will receive everything needed in order to create your kit. You want to begin by spacing out where everything will sit on your canvas. Take your top hat and your scarf and use them as a general rule of measurement for where they will be on the snowman. Then taking a pencil, lightly sketch where your snowman will sit on the canvas. There are generally 3 different circles, a small, medium, and large. Draw your horizon, including mountains in the background. Then, taking your paints, begin painting. You'll want to begin using white paint to paint the snow on the ground for where your snowman will sit. You can use just the tiniest drop of black to create a gray, so there will be some contrast between the ground and where your snowman is. Remember that black is a very strong color and you want to use only the smallest amount, otherwise it'll turn very dark very quick. Next, take a big scoop of white, a tiny scoop of black, and a little scoop of blue, and you're going to create a bluish gray color. This is going to be for your mountains. Then paint those in. Wash and dry your brush, then take the blue paint and paint the sky in the background. To create a darker, more evening sky look, you can take a little bit of black and streak that into the back of your painting. Wash and dry your brush super well, and then take the white paint and paint your body of your snowman. Create the lightest shade of gray for some of the shadows on your snowman. Make sure you only paint one side of the snowman so that it'll look like a shadow and not that your whole snowman has turned gray. The same color for the mountains and create a shadow on the ground. The mountains in the back have dried. Take a little bit of white paint and add some snow to the top of your mountains. Using the back of your paintbrush, you can create perfectly round dots in the sky to resemble snow. Allow your paint to fully dry. Then, taking the glue, you can attach your top hat to the canvas painting. Add a ribbon. Attach your scarf. And all the trimmings. Add branches for arms. Add your buttons and your nose. Take the back of your paintbrush, add 2 black dots for the eyes, and your snowman is complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.